Welcome class 10. In previous video we learned what is sequence, what is AP, what is difference between sequence and AP. Also we learned what is general form of sequence A1, A2, A3 dot 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 AN that satisfies particular definite order. Okay. General form of AP A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D dot 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 AN, right? Also we discussed that the common difference is cell. Now let us check our cell. I have listed some examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to check our cell whether these are examples of AP or not. We will solve very fast, very easily, right? So let us take one. Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. We are going general form of AP. A plus D, A plus 2D. Yes or no? So we will find difference of two quantitative terms. General form is this. Now definitely this is greater than this as per the pattern. Yes or no? Now let us stop. Minus 6. Subtraction of minus 6 and minus 10. See, minus 6 minus bracket minus 10. We got it. Minus 6 plus 10 equal to 4. Difference is 4, right? Now let us take next. Minus 2 minus bracket minus 6. We got minus 2 plus 6, 4. Try for only 2. You got common difference. D equal to 4. So it is 8. That's all. Right? This is only that checking ourselves. Are we able to state in seconds whether it is AP or not? Okay. So this is example of AP. Right? Now let us take 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. देखिए 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. 1 2 minus 1 is not 0. No need to waste time. We can do orally, right? So it's not it. We are practically becoming familiar with the general pattern of AP, that is A plus D, A plus 2D dot dot dot. Okay. Now see third one. 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 comma dot dot dot. A is minus 4 minus 0 minus 4 minus 8 minus bracket minus 4 minus 8 minus bracket minus 4 minus becomes plus 4. So minus 8 plus 4 minus 4 minus 12 minus bracket minus 8. So minus 12 plus 8 minus 4. So D equal to minus 4. So it is 8. Yes. We will write 8. This is only for checking ourselves orally to find. We are in class 10. If not able to do subtraction, then rough column is red. Right? Now next, see A square, A cube, A raised to 4 dot dot dot. See students, nothing to bother. Don't take risk. Take rough column. Subtract yourself. You write here see A square minus A. क्या करेंगे आप? ये कॉमन लेंगे. Yes or no? You cannot take more risk. Now I am taking this one. A cube minus A square. What is common? A square common. Where is difference say? No. I will not try for third. I don't have time. You don't have time. Okay? So D is not same or not equal. So it's not equal. No it. Okay? Right children? Please practice at least such 1 to 6 examples. I will give you 10 more from my question pattern, so that you will come to know sequence ऐसे भी होते हैं. Okay? They all are sequences. You should go through at least 50-60 sequences. Different patterns. Definitely you will come across competitive examination. All sequences are coming. Remember. Now next, See, minus half, minus half, minus half. Very simple. Minus half, minus plus half, 0. Minus half, minus plus half, 0. And therefore it is AP. Right? Now see, now this sixth one. Children, 0.2, 0.22, subtract 3. Subtraction, no risk, properly. Be very friendly with yourself while doing what. See, again I got it now. This I got 0.2, 0.02, 0.002. No, it is not equal. Right? Therefore, this is not AP. Clear? Now, I hope you understood. If you are given some sequences and you are asked, find out whether these are examples of AP or not. Practically, some sequences we need to confirm ourselves. Sometimes in great hurry, we are also becoming failure. Okay, fine. Now see, students, after learning whether it is AP or not, if you are given first term, you can write AP. That also we did in previous video. Now children, look here. I told you general form of AP is A plus B, A plus 2B, A plus 3B. Now I am taking suppose sixth term. See, I am taking sixth term. Hey, what is sixth term here? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Yes or no? I am writing this A plus 0B. Hello, A plus 0B, A plus 1B, A plus 2B, dot dot dot. Right? Hey, this is what first term. This is what first term. A1. I am writing this A plus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, this is first term, minus 1, B. If I take second term, A plus, second term, 2 minus 1, B. 2 minus 1, 1, 1, B. If I take fourth term, A plus, fourth term, 4 minus 1, B. That's 4 minus 1, 3. This fourth term, see. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. From this pattern, students, you are understanding how is the formula for any term given to you can be written. Right? So, if you are given second term, you are knowing what is second term? A plus 2 minus 1D. If you are given 10 term, A10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1D. Okay? In the same way, if I take AN, A plus n minus 1 B. So this is nth term. Okay? So very clear from the pattern only, nothing new. We try to understand how these numbers can be rewritten, from which we ourselves can write nth term. Therefore, nth term of AP is, write down, we have to write of AP equal to AN equal to A plus n minus 1 B. Very important. आपको याद रखना है. Okay. Now see, look here. I hope you understood up to this. Any problem you will get in this video, my videos, same day you can call me by WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay. Fine. Now see, all are knowing now what is nth term. Nth term is n. N का formula क्या है? A plus n minus 1. Okay. Now see, let us talk about, I am taking say 3 terms, A minus B, A and A plus B. Look here. 3 consecutive terms. I am taking 3 consecutive terms. Of AP. If these are 3 consecutive terms, then it must satisfy difference between these Consecutive terms should be equal. Okay, we are given 3 consecutive terms. Let us check these terms are terms of AP or not. Let us find out. See, what is first term? A minus B. What is second term? A. What is third term? A plus B. So let us confirm whether difference between two consecutive terms is equal or not. So I am taking A minus B. That is what? You got it. A minus plus B, that is. Okay, students are understanding directly. But opening bracket, sometimes we are not concentrating. Now taking next one. A plus B minus A equal to B. Got it? So this has shown it is equal. So D equal to B. Therefore, A minus B, A plus B, ये आपको याद रखना है are 3 consecutive terms of AP. Got it? Now, if 3 consecutive terms are given, the same can be used for solving some numericals that we are going to practice. Right? अभी इसको concept कैसे दिखाएगा? देखो, A you see right? I will take this. Hello. See, I am taking this A minus B is equal to A plus B minus A. Yes or no? This is very useful. If I am given 3 consecutive terms, I can make pairs A minus bracket A minus B is equal to A plus B minus A because difference is equal. Got it? And if any unknown terms are there in these terms, we will be able to calculate. Right? So we are practicing some examples based on this one. 3 consecutive terms. Terms of AP. Okay children, I hope you understood this very well. Right? Now we will take 1 or 2 or 3 examples solving using this method, using these 3 consecutive terms of the AP. You are knowing AP के terms है तो difference common आना चाहिए. Yes or no? See children, I am taking this one. See, if example, if I am taking example K plus 2, 4K minus 6, 3K minus 2 are 3 consecutive terms of AP, find K. These are 3 consecutive terms of AP, find K. Now, okay, first write down the terms. K plus 2, 4K minus 6, 3K minus 2. While copying example from the question paper, please check plus 2 लिया, minus properly. Slight mistake will give you wrong answer. Now we are knowing if there are 3 consecutive terms, then we will get it. Therefore, 4K minus 6 minus K plus 2 is equal to this number 3K minus 2 minus 4K minus 6. Okay. Now see children, just open bracket. 4K minus 6 minus K minus 2 equal to 3K minus 2 minus 4K minus plus 6. Solve this. 4K minus K, 3K minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. Okay, 3K minus 4K minus K minus 2 plus 6 plus 4. Bring K term this side, minus K comes this side, becomes 4 plus K, so 4K. Minus 8 I am setting that side, becomes plus 8, so 12. Right? Therefore, now cross multiplication, K equal to 3. This is coming for 2 marks, note down. ऐसे एग्जांपल्स 2 मार्क्स का हिस्सा x, 2x plus k, 3x plus 6 फाइंड k। चलो फिर अपना काम करिए। 2x plus k minus x equal to 3x plus 6 minus bracket 2x plus k। ओके, ओपन 2x minus x plus k equal to 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus k equal to x plus 6 x plus k, x minus 2x x plus 6 minus k, x चला गया minus k come this side, 2k equal to 6, k equal to students, but every step you put in very systematic, remember this. Got it? Now I hope you understood for finding unknown term. If you are given 3.2 terms of KK. Okay? See, in next video we will see some other examples based on it. Right, children? Please watch the video 2 times. Listen to video properly. Great hurry may create some mistake. Please solve this yourself. Right? See you.